Okay, good morning student. Today we are going to just revise the combined or composed entry, and then one more topic, when in same transaction trade discount and cash discount both are given, so how we are going to treat that we are going to see. Okay beta, today we are going to see these two topic. Just start with the combined entry. We are going to do the single entry like that: cash account debit to Ram. Okay, then cash account debit to X. Okay, how we are going to combine this both entry? From that, two main factor is there. Two main factor beta. Okay, two main factors needed. Date of the both entry will same, and same account will a debit or credit. If the in two entries same account will a debit or credit, or both entry date is same, so we can go for combined entry. As like that, here cash debit, here also cash will debit. Okay, 10 March, date is same. These two conditions is proved, then we can write this entry like that: cash account debit to X and to Ram. In X 2000, Ram 1000, and total amount 3000. This is called compose or combined entry. Okay beta, when the date is same, and same account will debit or credit, then we can compose our combined entries. Okay, as like that: cash account debit Ram, purchase account debit to Ram. Okay, here again Ram will credit in both entry, and date is same, 12 March. Then we can going to combine this entry, and how? Like that: cash account debit, purchase account debit to Ram. Okay beta, 500, 2000, 500, total is the 2000. Okay, this is called combined or composed entry. Okay beta, in the same way, some question is given in the book, as like that many expenses given and paid by cash, as like that rent paid, wages, tax, interest account debit, these all paid by the firm in cash, then to cash. Okay, we can do the entry like that also. If rent, wages, tax and interest will pay in cash, all four of the debit and cash will credit: 2000, 4000, 1000, 500, 7500. Okay, this is also the compose or combined entry. And you can also write like that: rent account debit to cash, wages account debit to cash, then tax account debit to cash, interest account debit to cash. But this is the right way to enter the entry, because it's a composed entry. Okay beta, then we are going for the next topic: when cash and trade discount both are given. Okay beta, cash discount and trade discount both are given, so then how we are going to treat? I think you well know about that. If the trade discount is given, trade discount we are not going to show the entry, only trade discount effect we are going to show in a amount. Okay beta, only trade discount effect we are going to show in a amount. Just see, just think, purchase 80,000, cash discount 4%, trade discount 10%, and 50% receive in cash. Okay, and this purchase with the RAM. Okay, how we are going to treat this entry? Okay beta, from RAM we are going to purchase. Okay, trade discount 10%, cash discount 4%, 50% money received in cash. So just see how we are showing. First purchase amount beta 80,000, then less trade discount 10%, 8,000 beta. 80,000, 10% is 8,000. Then remaining amount beta 72,000. Then divided in two parts. One is cash, what amount we are receiving in cash, and what amount going on the credit. Because cash discount will give on the only cash payment beta. Cash discount we are going to give for the only cash payment. Okay beta. So what amount of the cash payment? 50% of this. So 50% of this is, what amount is there? 36,000 and 36,000. Okay. Here then less trade discount. Okay. 4%. Just calculate 4% of this. 0, 4, 14, 40, less this amount, 16, 5, 4, 3. Okay, this amount we are receiving in cash, this amount is going in a discount, and this amount is going for the credit in a RAM, and this is the main amount that is going for the purchase. And now we are going for the entry. How we are going to entry? Purchase. Purchase will debit beta. So entry is that purchase account debit, then cash you are receiving or given the cash is credit, cash account to discount account, because on the time of purchase we are giving the money to discount by received by us, so discount will credit and to RAM. Okay. Then just see the amount, how we fill the amount, 72,000 here, okay beta, in RAM 36,000, discount 1440, and this amount in cash 34560, okay beta. On this way we are going to do the entry. Okay, this is the main amount for 72,000, we are entered in the purchase, this is on the credit, so entered in the RAM. This is the discount, entered in the discount. This is the cash received, entered in the cash. Okay beta? Clear? Now we are going to see the sell. If sell is there, same thing is there, but sell is there, then what we are doing? On the place of purchase, we are entered only sell. Okay? Sells. Same thing will come. But just I am going to change. 20% of trade discount, 10% of cash discount. Okay, change this all. 20% of cash discount means 16,000 beta, less than 16,000, 64,000, divided two part, 50%, maybe 50%, maybe 60%, maybe 70%. What is given in the question? On that way we are going to solve. Okay beta. Here we are taking the 50%, then cash and credit 50% of this, 32,000, then less cash, discount 10%, 3,200, 8, 82. Okay, beta. Now, how we are going to do the entry? It's a sell means credit, cash we are received means debit, discount we are going to give means debit. It means entry is cash account debit, discount account debit, then RAM account RAM debit to sales. Okay, beta. And sales amount is 64,000, cash received 28,800, discount 3,200, credit 32,000. Okay, beta. On this way we are doing the entry. Okay. Again, one more I am going to take and change this. First we are going to take the purchase again. Again we are going to take the purchase. Okay, on the place of 80,000 only change. It's 1 lakh 50%. Change in 75%. Okay, 20%. Now see how we are going to entry. Just see. Total cash amount 1 lakh, trade discount 20%, less this discount, remaining amount 80,000. Divide this 75% and cash credit. 75% and 25%, beta. 75% and 25%. Just see here. So 75% is 60,000 and 25% is 20,000. Okay. Then 10% discount to less cash discount 10%, 6,000. Okay. Now all thing is there. Only go for the entry. Change the amount. Only change the amount. Same entry. But the same entry. Purchase account debit to cash to discount to RAM. Okay. Then in purchase 80,000. In cash 54,000, discount 6,000, and in RAM 20,000. Okay, clear? How we are doing the entry? Then see next on the place of purchase again I will change. It's a sell. Okay, the same is going on. Same thing is going on, na? 1 lakh 20,000 less 10%, 20%. 80,000, 60,000, 20,000, 10% discount. Just see, entry will say beta. Then again, 80,000, cash, 54, 6, and 20. Okay, on this way we are doing the entries. Okay, beta. This is the way by which we are going to entry if cash discount and trade discount both are the given. Okay, beta. If the cash discount and trade discount both are the given, then we are going to do the all entry on this way. Okay. First, we are going to less the trade discount because trade discount we are not going to show, and then divide in two parts. What amount we are receiving in cash and what amount on credit. What amount we are receiving cash, on that amount we are going to charge the cash discount because cash discount only charge on the cash payment. Charge it, then make the entry. Okay, purchase debit, cash you are paying, credit discount you are receiving, credit RAM credit. Okay, beta. On the sell credits, RAM debit, discount you are given, debit, cash you are received, debit. Okay, beta. Clear? Okay. Thank you.